Once again, you see that the ceiling is raised extremely high, and you may wonder then why did they want it to be like this?
Super.